The main point is making predictions for 2026, but we will recap your predictions for 2025. So I believe you had 5 last year, if my notes are correct.
Yes, that sounds about right. I do like numbers of 3s and 5s, so it sounds very, and it was 2025, so I feel like it's very much a fitting number.
Yeah. And so what I have down as number 1 was that agentic AI will be the dominant trend in 2025. And I feel like that's a no-brainer to say that is correct. Do you have any thoughts or any data to back you up on how your results unfolded on that one?
Yeah, I think everybody doesn't want to hear about agentic AI at a conference anymore. So I don't know if it's concrete data or more just the vibes of where the people are at, which is, please don't tell us about how you're having an agentic AI conference, because we're ready for something new and fresh in 2026.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's a pretty good data point on how big it was. It was such a dominant trend in 2025 that nobody wants to hear about agentic AI in 2026. Although I will say, I still think, I mean, it just becomes more and more useful. It's like every couple months it goes by, the length of a human task that an agentic AI system can replace a human on, that length of time doubles every 7 months. So right now we're at a point where you can get about a 50% reliability. So about 50% of the time you're going to get a result that you're happy with. On tasks in software development or machine learning that would take a human software developer or a human machine learning expert several hours to do. And given this 7-month doubling, you can anticipate that by the end of 2026, it's going to be more like 8 hours, full workday.
Which is crazy to think about, right? So that's when everybody keys up the discussions around replacement and what this means for the workforce. And I know it's difficult to imagine at this point, but when you really calculate out the curve and just calculate out the hours of what somebody can do, yeah, I mean, that's a whole different scenario that we could talk about.